YouTube, another project. Here's how you assemble it. Hang tight, I'll show you. Okay, after you unbox it, find these and find the legs. 3 legs. That's one. Retaining clips came from the blue bag again. Insert it to the legs, just like that. That's one. Don't insert it this way, right? Insert it this way. That's 2. Right hand side. Just like that. Put this thing upside down, just like that. The leg with a single hole goes to the back, right by the handle. First leg, that's one. Second leg, line it up. Perfect. Last leg. Perfect. Here you go, all lined up. Next, grab this and hook it. This goes under. Just go like that. Flip it. Wheels and caps. Perfect. Beautiful. Put it upright. Those 2 in the back, measurement's about 5 3/4. When you press this together, you go up and down, right? Let's put the ashtray on. And twist this in place. And that's it. The bottom grill. Beautiful. With the top grill. Let's install this handle. Okay. Fire up the grill because we're putting some on the grill, and I'll do the top handle. Hang tight. Okay, let's assemble the cover. Last thing, the handle for the cover. It came pre-assembled. You have to undo the nuts, a couple of them. There you go. How about that? That is it. Fully assembled. It's beautiful. That's how you put together a Weber original kettle barbecue grill. Thank you so much for watching. Do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Only 2 tools used. You got the mallet and a screwdriver, Phillip heads. Look at that. Starting out great. Thanks again. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now. And I dabbed a paper towel with olive oil. Clean it up. Seasoning it a little bit. Just wipe all the gunk out of there.